Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and best gadgets to improve your daily life. Today, we have an incredible product that every iPhone user should consider having: the 7-Tech Phone Scratch Remover and Cracked Repair Liquid. This is the best iPhone screen scratch repair solution you've been waiting for. If you're tired of dealing with scratches or cracks on your phone screen, this liquid glass screen protector could be the game changer you need. Now, let's talk about why this is such a great product. First of all, the 7-Tech screen protector is designed for all phones, including popular models like the iPhone 11, XS Max, iPhone XR, and more. But it doesn't stop there. It's also compatible with many Samsung Galaxy devices and even smartwatches and tablets. This product offers universal nano protection for all your glass accessories. The most impressive feature of this product is the protection it provides. It creates an invisible shield for your device, protecting your screen from scratches and damage. Thanks to its nano coating technology, this screen protector forms a hard, durable surface that is as tough as tempered glass. Some users even report it being stronger. It's water-resistant and scratch-resistant, so you don't have to worry about accidental damage from everyday use. And the best part? It's completely invisible, meaning you won't even notice it's there, but your device will be fully protected. Another great thing about this product is how easy it is to apply. Unlike other screen protectors that require a complicated installation process, all you need to do is apply a few drops of this liquid to your screen. It's that simple. There are no bubbles, no hassle, just smooth and seamless protection. Plus, it's compatible with all phone cases, so you don't need to worry about your case interfering with the protector. With just one bottle, you can protect up to 3 devices. That's a pretty great deal considering how expensive screen repairs can be. The 7-Tech Phone Scratch Remover and Cracked Repair Liquid is not only a protective solution but also a cost-effective one, offering long-lasting defense against wear and tear. If you're looking for a way to keep your phone screen in pristine condition, this product is definitely worth considering. It's tough, easy to apply, and works on a variety of devices. Whether you have an iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, or even a smartwatch, this liquid screen protector will give you peace of mind and keep your screens looking flawless. So, if you've been struggling with a scratched or cracked screen, the 7-Tech Phone Scratch Remover and Cracked Repair Liquid is the solution you need. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best gadgets out there.